Spicy, Indian, vegan, vegetarian, lovely spicy potatoes here. Really, really easy and delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 3 cups, maybe just a little bit more maybe actually, of potatoes there. Peeled them and cut them fairly small. If you're going to cut them bigger, probably best that you parboil them first, which you can do with these if you want, but these are raw. 1 cup of onion, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder using Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon, some curry leaves if you can get them, absolutely fabulous, and fresh chili. The amount is entirely up to you, and I've just top and toweled mine, sort of opened them by the top and towel. Chop them or split them if you want. So you're going to need a skillet or a wok type thing that I've got here. In there I've got some oil. I've got 3 tablespoons of a corn oil. If you want, you could use coconut oil for this. What we're going to do is drop in a couple of teaspoons of the cumin seeds and the curry leaves. Now the heat's on just above medium, and just for a few seconds let them do their thing in there. They'll infuse that oil. And then straight in with the potatoes. Five minutes, we're going to throw these around and kind of get them on their way. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add that 1 cup of onion. I'm going to add some salt. And we're going to go for another 4 minutes or so. Stirring often. Starting to get some lovely colour on these potatoes now. We're nearly there, by the way. We're now going to add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We're going to add our fresh chili, and we're going to add our powders: turmeric, chili, cumin. 2 minutes, stirring all the time. You've done it. And there you go, really, really simple, really spicy, really beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Please do give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button and all that stuff. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love.